Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to withdraw money from PayPal to FNB in under 3 minutes. And to do so, it's very easy, but first let's understand why FNB. So, as you may know, FNB is an accredited PayPal partner in South Africa. Unlike many third-party services, it's safe, regulated, and you can visit the branch if issues arise. Now the first step is to register on FNB online banking. So go to your browser and then search for FNB South Africa. Now, once you have made that search, just open the first link. It should be fnb.co.za. So click on it and here go to register. So you'll find the button register in the top here. Click on it and then here you will have multiple choices. For my personal case, I will just go to register for PayPal for non-FNB customers, as I'm not an FNB customer myself. So let's just go to for me. You can also do for my business. And here register for PayPal services. So go to I do not bank with FNB. It's my personal case, but you can choose other ones. Okay. So now here you will just have to fill out this form. Okay, so now as you can see, we have this thank you page here. Let's just go to login. Now, once you are here, go to login, and then you just have to type your username and password. So let me just type it, then here. Okay, so now as you can see, I'm on the home page. I can go to the Forex button here, so let's just click on it once. And here we'll find these PayPal services, so let's just click on it and go to link now. Okay, so this is really great to show you. This is an error that has occurred, so you just have to come back 5 minutes later when the site will be up and running again, because they have some problems in their servers. But basically we can skip this step for the tutorial because it's just logging into your PayPal account and nothing else. So you just have a button to log in and then you will have to enter your email and password and go on. Now let's just go back to the menu here and then go to Forex again and then PayPal services. And here you should have the withdraw from PayPal button. So you'll enter your withdrawal amount, not exceeding your PayPal balance, of course. And then you will select your receiving account, FNB or another South African bank. And then choose the BU code 41 for personal transfers. And then review exchange rates and fees and then click confirm. And that's it, basically you will be done. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.